jealous. So they go to work the next day. They're working hard. The bell rings. Boop. Time for lunch. So the white guy opens his lunch. Peanut butter fucking jelly. He goes.
Right over.
He jumps off the building. Down he goes. He's dead. The black guy, fried chicken again. He goes. He kills himself. The Italian guy, SpaghettiOs. He's jumping over the building. The Polish guy, sauces and peppers. He went. Now they're all dead.
Almost kill themselves?
Listen, it gets better. So a couple days later, they're at the funeral.
Yeah.
You got the white guy's wife, the black guy's wife, and the Italian guy's wife. They're all standing together. Oh, if I only knew he wanted something different, I would have made him something different. And then the Polish wife, you stupid motherfucker. And they're looking at her like, so they go over there, they're like, what home? They're like, that fucking asshole made his own lunch. That was good.